Finally, we have everything removed from the sky deck. We have put up the first staging of the protection, the shrink wrap, to allow for us to remove, cut out the existing hot tub that will be moved towards the aft deck. In the meantime, we are just waiting upon the final engineering drawings for relocation of the hot tub in this area aft here. We'll be taking you downstairs in a minute to show you the overhead where the structural reinforcement needs to take place for securing the aft deck hot tub up in this area. This is the area of the overheads just outside the Sky Lounge deck. We've removed the current overhead panels, exposing the girders that we're going to be adding superstructure to support the hot tub on the sky deck. It will be necessary for us to add additional structure between each one of these structures, and then 3 cross structures interlinking the support from the existing stainless steel girder, which will support the overhead enough to allow the weight of the new jacuzzi to be installed. These overhead panels will then be reconstructed and attached to be movable for access to all the plumbing and electrical of the moved jacuzzi.
And the shower. We're going to put a shower over in this far corner, so we run the pipework from the overhead in the Sky Lounge bar, and then we rehook it up over here with a shower around the back, and then that'll work up on the sky deck.
We are now inside the Sky Lounge. We have removed the cabinetry and TV lift that was existing within this area. This area will be rebuilt using all the existing woodworking details, the top trim and the doors, to allow this to look as though it was one continuous countertop. Then within this area, we will be building a new refrigerator, ice maker, and a countertop with a recessed bar that should live behind doors. The doors will open and retract into the opening, exposing the bar surface. The television, which was on the outside wall, is going to be moved to the forward bulkhead of this cabin and built in to be flush with the wall panels that are existing on this wall here. This is the main deck, aft deck area. Previously there was a seating sofa built in this aft area. We have since cut this area out to be fiberglassed in to match all the existing finish of this area. The proposal was that there were 2 very large, round, freestanding outdoor furniture that will be going into this area. This deck will be sanded out so that it becomes all uniform and flush with the existing deck. Now we have moved inside the aft salon, where we have removed the previous stone countertops that were port and starboard in the aft, as well as the port and starboard stone countertops, which are port and starboard of the dining room area. These are to be replaced with new marble chosen by the designer. As you'll notice too, we have removed the room divider that separated the aft area of the salon from the center section of the salon. There was at one time a TV lift cabinet with some pillars that were there. This has been taken away. We're now in the tender bow deck area, where you see we've removed all the existing teak from the old steps. We are right now in the process of fabricating. We've laid out the new structure of the extended lounging area, which will be here. We are also going to be taking you after this segment of our little video into the fabrication shop, where we will show you where we have been fabricating this section up here, as well as fabricating the extensions of the seating here, and also all the fabrication of the new lounging areas, which are going to occupy the previous area which the tender garage lived in. Here we are in the fiberglass shop. What we're looking at here is this is the mold, which is going to be the bow seat, the nice large new lounge area that you'll have up in the bow area for lounging. This is like I said, the mold for doing the fiberglass here. Over on this side here, you see the components that make up the mold. We have the little hatch area right here that goes in that bow area for access, as well as the little flip-up door to allow you to access the forecastle up in the bow area. Again, these are all the molds that we make to fabricate the fiberglass structure, which is then attached and glued into place on board the vessel. This is one of the extensions just forward of the new tender well area. What you'll see here, this is the form of the extension that we're extending all the seating a little bit deeper. You can see here that when we make the mold, this is the recessed area that the rope lighting will be connected to underneath these extensions. Again, a mold section of the small radius step in the bow area.
Go.
This is part of the support structure of that forward bow area, big lounge area. This is the mold which is going to help support the extension in that bow area. As we walk down here, you can see we're laying up the larger seat extension forward of that bow area as well. This is the mold which we are using to create the extension of the seating area just forward of the old tender well. Once again, you see we've created the reveal for the rope lighting to live, and again, this is the mold that we create, which we use to fabricate our fiberglass structure from.